Whoa, doing 90 on the jet skis.
Yeah, we living.
Tell these haters come and get me.
Come and get me.
Lil' mama, you look sexy.
And she bad.
I wanna she gon' let me.
See.
I ain't they don't test me.
Don't test me.
Ice hard Wayne Gretzky.
Iced out.
Knew what it was when you met me.
Yeah, you know that.
Just be real, don't upset me.
Don't do that.
I ain't got time for the foolery. None of these ain't cool as me.
What's up, you guys? I'm Ryan, and I'm about to do a review on my new ski. It's a 2020 Sea-Doo RXT-X 300 and what Sea-Doo calls beautiful California green. We're gonna review this ski bow to stern. Maybe these waves will calm down so it won't be so loud on the video. You guys can see this beautiful ski. Starting at the front, let's just talk about how wild this thing looks. It looks like a Lamborghini on the water, especially in this lime green color. It's the RXT-X. It's a race ski. It looks like a race ski. Coming over to the ski, it's got a huge 7.9-inch display. Let me turn it on so you guys can see it. Perfect handlebars. When you sit on the ski, they're just the right width apart. They're fully adjustable. If you pull this lever here, the handlebars will go up or down. When you do that, the screen moves with it, just so you guys can see. See, the screen moves with the handlebars. Got two wide angle mirrors on each side if you're towing a tuber. Got the sound system on here. The RXT-X ST3 hull has this huge storage compartment. Got several life jackets, my whole camera bag filming this video. Got a little dry box I keep my wallet and my keys in. Sea-Doo sunglasses, they float. And the trusty old Crocs. Got my fire extinguisher to stay legal out here. You close the big lid, you open the middle one. You got a little storage spot here. I got my 360 camera. We'll get some footage with that while we're out here. Got an extra dry box right here specifically for your phone. It's got this pad in there. You take your phone out, Bluetooth it up with the speakers. They have an optional charger port you can put right there. Close all that back up. This ski has several different drive modes. That's what all these controls here are. I'll show you guys a little bit of that here shortly. Where this ski really shines is the 300 horsepower engine. It's a 3-cylinder 1630cc Rotax engine, supercharged. It'll get this thing up to about 70 miles per hour from the factory. It's limited. On the back I have my cooler. Got some drinks in there. It's hot out here today, making this video for you guys. What's really cool about these Link coolers and other accessories they make, right over here on this side, there's a little blue tab. Flip that open like that. Whole cooler comes right off. Bring it up on the beach. Just like that, you're hanging out on the beach. You got a huge swim platform on the back. Got a piece of ice fell out of the cooler. But right here, the spot that comes out. You put a ski pile on right there. What it does is it's a telescoping pole that comes up. You can tube off the back of this thing, or wakeboard, ski, whatever. They actually recommend if you're tubing to tow off of that. This is mainly just for skiers and wakeboarders. These little things here go back down into the deck. These things go down nice and flush. This back seat actually comes off. I had to undo the clips off camera because I couldn't do it. I got one hand out here filming by myself. The seat comes off. Have this huge rear deck. You can lay your head on that like a pillow, lay out here, catch a tan, catch the sun rays, whatever. One thing I added that did not come standard on this race ski is the ladder on the back, like I had on my blue GTX. Had to get that added so Courtney could climb on and off the back. Courtney's my daughter. On the race skis, they also had the Ergo lock knee pads and these foot wedges in the floorboard. I'll try to show you. See how these are at an angle slightly? Makes it where you can put your feet in here, lock your knees in here. You can jump waves out here sitting down, guys. No more flying off the seat. You feel like you're locked into this thing. I'm gonna get some footage out riding this thing, show you guys a little bit about the different drive modes. All right, you guys, we're out here on the water. I can show you the different drive modes. Switch over to the camera. On this side, you got your mode button. When you tap this button, what it does, see how it pops up sport mode. If you hit it again, it'll go into eco mode. If you press it again, it goes back into sport mode. To go fully into sport mode, you'll hold the button down. you get the second beep, warning message appears, and you're good to go. This thing also has variable trim. If you look on the far right side, as you tap these arrows up and down, so I can make it toggle straight to the top, straight to the middle, straight to the bottom, or I can click through them one at a time if I click it slowly. In the middle, it shows your speed. Just below that's your RPM. There's several other things this display will show. I'm not 100% sure how to use this newer display yet, so I'll probably give you guys an in-depth video on that sooner or later, as soon as I get it all figured out. There's a lot to learn on this thing. The radio is just like my other ski. These knee pads are absolutely game-changing when you're out here riding. Let's give it a couple rips. All right, here we go. We're gonna do a launch control launch in 3, 2, 1, go.
Conscious. Whoa, doing 90 on the jet skis.
Yeah, we living.
Tell these haters come and get me.
Come and get me.
Lil' mama, you look sexy.
And she bad.
I wanna she gon' let me.
See.
I ain't they don't test me.
Don't test me.
Ice Heart, Wayne Gretzky.
Iced out.
Knew what it was when you met me.
Yeah, you know that.
Just be real, don't upset me.
Don't do that.
I ain't got time for the foolery. None of these ain't cool as me. None of these women ain't fooling me.
No, they
I don't even need the right jewelry. Ain't shit these people could do to me.
Yeah.
I done seen it all, it ain't new to me. People be hating, that's jealousy.
Yeah.
Only trust people that's cool with me. I ain't rich yet, but I'm soon to be. She wanna listen to Jodeci. Sipping on some Henny, then we roll some weed. Give her that D, then I go to sleep. Only need money and loyalty, and my respect and my royalties. The more you get older is the more you see that this shit ain't really what it's all to be. Yeah.
They ain't really what it's all to be. It be all talk, yeah, you know it's cheap. Following the herd, yeah, they all some sheep. All my bills crispy like my money neat. Keep a blue face, but I'm on a beat. Out of this world like a Kanye tweet. Curry lil' mommy, and she's so petite. She a chef's kiss, then she's so complete. And I'm the best gift, so I'm rapping. Anything I do, they gon' back it. Even when my back against the basket. Stone Island, a jacket. Double I, yeah, they jacket. If I say it once, then that's it.